Breaking news, guys. I've found the filter. It's in there. You get to the filter here. You unscrew. Et voila. Mine's is manky already by the looks. I've used it about 7 times now. I don't know how these work. I mean, my box said something like diamond. It's diamond. And then other sites say they're cotton, sort of cotton made. Don't know. This other bit also comes off. Maybe for no reason at all. Maybe just for manufacturing, makes it simpler. Yeah, I took that off before. I don't know why you would though. It's got a washer there at the top. They've got washers at both sides. O-rings actually, I think. Same thing though. I'm struggling here. Cut! This top one doesn't screw on, it's just a sort of slot thing. And you just push it in and then slide it sideways or something. There we go, guys. There we go. We got there. I presume it matters what way you put that, but I can't remember. Oh, I only look back in my video. I think it was like that. This side does screw, like so. There you are. And I'm loving this, by the way. I'm loving the Atomized, I'm loving the start-stop. Superb. But also, I was looking at prices last night on eBay and I was in for searching for this. And from what I saw, Amazon, I could only see it £18 because Amazon list the same product on one page usually, you know. And it even had a brand name, the one that they were showing, but it was actually £17.99, but I refused to say those prices, so £18. But on eBay, I could see it for £3, including shipping, plus 5 filters. I mean, I feel like buying it myself if that's the case, because it means I would get 5 filters for £3, you know. But you've got to check that yourself. You need to check that, because there's lots of these listed on eBay. And the one that was on eBay, it looked as if the knob thing sort of twisted like that. You know, you twisted it around like that. But then in the other pictures it looked like this one. So, I mean, that's the problem. You can't tell, you know, what you're buying definitely on these places. So in my last video, I tried to dismantle this because I thought the filter would be in there, but no, it's in there, okay? You only need to take that bit off. 3 settings, Atomized. That's with both of them on, and that's with the rain, as they call it, remember. Rain, that's rain and Atomized. You can massage your head as well, you know that? Like that. It fits standard shower things. I've put a little O-ring in there. I don't know if it came with a washer. I think it probably did, but I've just put a little thing. Middle of little. So don't go looking in any day. There's your O-rings. Don't ask them that. Oh God. So middle of little. Don't go and asking me, can I see your assorted O-rings? Rain. I'll switch to Atomized. I'll switch to both. Both. I'll switch to Atomized. That's a really nice feeling, that Atomized. And I've learnt the secret now. Stand a bit further back, you know, like you're taking a selfie or something. then it goes all over you. And now I'll go to rain. See, the rain ones are coming at the silver circle. Atomized comes out the black bit in the middle. And now both. ASMR. ASMR. Yeah, anyway, and you can reduce, make it slow. That's a bit more difficult to do. I mean, it's not a big deal or anything, you know. But you can adjust the power if you want, or switch it right off. Alright. Yeah, but I'm really enjoying this. I don't know why. Maybe it's well, the Atomized is just really more enjoyable than I thought. To me, this is a next gen shower, for me anyway. Maybe you have all been enjoying these for decades. But stuff like that, you know. I know that Lidl sometimes sell the ones that have LEDs in them that glow, but that doesn't help your shower spray, does it? And then there's ones that have a fan in them. I'm not sure what they do. I mean, the fan's generated by the water. But Atomized, I think, for the poor, yes, get an Atomized one, yeah. Especially if it's £3, including shipping, which I'm not sure it is. You'll need to confirm that yourself from eBay. I mean, don't take my prices as fact, you know, I just had a quick look. I mean, in Arizona may be cheaper than the £18 that I saw, but I would recommend trying eBay first. I always check eBay first anyway. I hardly buy from Amazon really. I'm not with the Prime or anything. eBay and AliExpress are the two that I look at, you know. AliExpress, you're probably getting it from China, but it might be even cheaper, the cheapest. Although eBay does ones from China now as well, so yeah, you know how it is and all that, you know. Alright guys, that's it really. Start moving outside, please. There's your Atomized. I know you want one more look. Look at that. ASMR. This. Then. Oh. Alright. Cheerio. Okay, I'll get it soaked for you. Just to the camera. I've used it about 7 times now.